I would like to share a little bit about the discussion of our CEO in the recent LTS in Kuala Lumpur, February 11, 2025. So he said that I was once saw 10 deaths at a time and I felt so shocked and scared. So I realized then that health is important. Yes, it is very true, because people do not understand what is health is wealth until they are already in their sick bed, they are already in their wheelchair, until they are in a situation that their children starting to contribute money for their medications, for their maintenance, for their checkup, for their treatment, until their family is collecting money, okay, asking money for their friends and relatives and neighbors. So by then they realize that I wish I took care of my health, so that I will not reach in this situation. So according to our CEO, he said, I now understand that our product, Pure Cheer Stem Cells, now in 7th edition, is so important in preserving the quality, longevity of life. So it is going to be very hard for a person to die in vain if they are taking Pure Cheer, because we must understand that in taking Pure Cheer, there is no overdosage, okay? The more Pure Cheer you take, the faster your body can recover. There is no waste. So in our 7th edition, it undergoes 6 modern technologies, okay? That is so that our liver and kidney are safe, okay? This is not synthetic drugs that can harm our body organs. This is so safe. And according to him, okay, that's why we decided on marketing a health product. So Reway International is into health and beauty stem cells. Okay, we have beauty product. We also have a health product, which is only one. So for us, members of Reway International, who are already leaders, who do full-time in Reway, we have this product Pure Cheer in our house. So it's like having, a drugstore medicine kit inside the house, that if someone doesn't feel good, okay, can take Pure Cheer. Someone is having a dysmenorrhea, diarrhea, broken bones, okay, COVID, dengue, or whatever, okay, we'll just take Pure Cheer. So it's all in one. So can you imagine if you would die indebted due to the high cost of expenses in the hospital bills and caregiving? This is very true to Filipinos. Here in the Philippines, our medicines are not free. Our hospital bills are not free unless you have this whole hospitalization card. All right, then you can have it. But what about your body, which is ailing and discomfort every day? Although everything is free, maybe someone supplies you your vitamins and medicines, someone will take care of your bills in the hospital, you got all the best doctors, but how about your ailing body? How about your sick body? How about the discomfort and the pain inside your body? That is why I'm so thankful that this product, Pure Cheer, and the company is already in the Philippines, because those who have no offices yet in their country, they have to buy it in the Philippines. They have to wait for 5 to 7 business days to receive their product. Here in the Philippines, this is already a very good opportunity for us. So it is true that when a person will die, okay, not prepared, okay, put all his money to the hospital, to the doctors, to the drugstores, okay, and at the end, they would say, sorry, we did everything, but maybe it is God's will that your mother, your father, your sister, your brother, it is already his time to go. So you see, and then the family will be left behind with all the debts, okay, even for a few years, they are still paying the hospital. So what a life. Now, if you watch this video, let me know, okay, how can I help you? There are still several videos in this YouTube channel that explains how Pure Cheer works and how Pure Cheer can reverse the aging, okay? Repair all body damage and repair and cell regenerate. So 6 months to 1 year is like having a brand new internal organs. And of course, reversing aging, okay, it will surely show to your face.